What's up everyone, welcome back to another Battle Aero drift kart install guide. Today we're going to be installing our new booster seat bracket. This booster seat allows you to move the seat forward and relocate the battery, making the cart more comfortable and easier to drive for the next generation of young drifters. Here's an overview of the hardware that we provide for this install. Start by assembling the brackets with the 4 sets of M6 hardware. Loosely thread everything in for now and wait to fully tighten the hardware until the bracket is aligned on the cart. If your drift cart is already built, remove the seat and back support. For new builds, you can skip this step and go straight to installing the seat bracket. Next, we're going to grab the collars and collar bolts, and now we're going to install the bracket onto the cart. Place the front collar of the seat bracket onto the frame tube. Grab the other half of the collar and place it on the opposite side of the tube, then loosely thread in the collar bolts. Keep the bolts loose for now until we're ready to torque everything down. Before we torque down the collar bolts, we're gonna need to fasten the rest of the hardware onto the backside of the seat bracket. So grab another 4 sets of the M6 hardware and we're gonna insert it into the backside of the bracket. Align the bracket with the frame holes and then insert the bolts and loosely tighten the nuts. Now we can tighten down all the M6 hardware and the collar to secure the bracket onto the frame. Next, install the back support onto the booster seat bracket. Line up the mounting holes, then fasten it using another 4 sets of the M6 hardware. Now you can go ahead and torque down the bolts to secure the back support. Next, we're going to install the seat onto the bracket. So grab the M6 by 35mm hardware and we're going to install it onto the seat. Now here's a clip from our seat installation video if you guys haven't installed the seat yet, to show you guys the orientation that the hardware needs to go in. Now back to the booster seat bracket installation. We're gonna align the bolts of the seat onto the holes on the booster seat bracket. And then we're gonna secure the seat with the larger washer and a nylon nut. Now everything is lined up. Now you can go ahead and torque down the seat and the booster seat bracket hardware. Next, we're gonna install the battery tray. We're gonna cut off the zip ties along the frame that's securing the battery cables. Now place the battery tray behind the seat bracket and align it with the mounting holes onto the frame. Insert the M6 hardware and loosely fasten the nuts and bolts. Do not fully tighten them yet. You can adjust the tray position if needed. Moving it further back will help shift more of the weight towards the rear end of the cart. On this install, we're gonna leave 2 hole spaces between the battery tray and the booster seat bracket. After you inserted all the hardware, now you can torque down the M6 hardware. Now we're gonna place the battery into the battery tray and we're gonna install the battery strap. After the battery is mounted, we're going to reroute the battery cables and secure them neatly to the frame. Make sure the cables are clear of any moving parts, such as the axle. After the battery cables are rerouted and secure, the install is complete. But before we wrap it up, we want to show you a new feature on our booster seat bracket. The battery tray is designed large enough to hold additional weights behind the seat. Now this will help add traction to the rear end of the cart, which will make it easier for lighter drivers like kids to keep up with adult drivers. Weights are not included with the bracket. I have a link in the description for the weights that fit this setup.
All right, so we made these brackets that allow you to add ballasts to the back of the cart. The reason for this is so that the child can have the same weight distribution as an adult, so it can have the same handling and traction levels. One thing I gotta say is these ballasts does not come with a kit. We're gonna put a link on our website so that you can buy these separately. This bracket is made for kids like between 9 to maybe like 13 years old, 14 years old. And our average kid around that age weighs around like 60 pounds, I think. So, and an adult weighs about, like me, weighs about 160 pounds. So it's about 100 pounds difference in weight. So that's the reason why we have these ballasts here. Each one of these ballasts are 45 pounds. So two of them is 90 pounds. So we're getting closer to that 160 weight of an adult. That's it, and we're gonna show you how to install it right now.
So start by removing the battery from the tray, and once the battery is out, we're gonna reposition the battery strap for a new mounting location. Next, place the weight into the battery tray and align them with the mounting holes. Next, slide the carriage bolt through the bracket and then feed the bolts through the weight and out towards the back side of the battery tray. Then secure the carriage bolt with the nut and washer. Go ahead and torque down the nuts on the carriage bolt with a 14mm socket or wrench. Next, insert the corrugated plastic sheet between the bolts and the battery. This helps protect the battery from rubbing against the hardware. The plastic sheet is not included and is sold separately, and it may be trimmed down to fit your setup. For this weight setup, we're gonna need to move the seat forward to make room to clear the battery.
So I think that position will fit the battery like that. And that's where it goes.
Next step is now to secure the battery with the battery strap, and we are pretty much done with the install with the added weight. Now Now here is a driving clip after we added the weights onto the cart, and the kid gave us some feedback and said the cart did have more traction and it was easier to keep up with the adult driver. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing the booster seat bracket, now you can purchase it on our website at www.battleaero.com. With that said, thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.